Katherine, a few years ago, you and your family were moving to Cache Valley and you needed a dentist. What was the process of coming here?
Well, our biggest variable was that we wanted a dentist that was close to where we lived so that it would be easy to come with our 4 children, drop them off, pick them up as needed. Okay. And so it was based on locality to begin with.
Okay. So we say that to begin with, and it was by a happy chance that you happened to come here to Dr. Hurst. And 15 years later, you're all still coming. Why? There has to be a reason.
Yes, well, we really feel that we get quality service here. We feel like all of the staff works really hard to accommodate us and to treat us well. We feel like Dr. Hurst cares for us. When our 4 kids had their wisdom teeth taken out, he called to check on us. The receptionist called to make sure they were fine. And so we just really feel like they care for their patients and they do well by them.
Okay. What do you feel about, I know that Dr. Hurst has a continuing sort of standard of education. What do you think about him taking classes and always keeping up on the latest things? Is that important to you?
Absolutely, and I'm actually very impressed with how he is using technology during our appointments. A lot of times he shows me my teeth or information via a big monitor through the computer, and it's really impressive what he's done. Along those lines, he's also willing always to answer questions and explain to me in layman's terms what we're working with and what needs to be done. And I always feel really good about the fact that he doesn't pressure myself or my husband into any kind of procedure. He provides us the information, he shows us the evidence, right, and then he lets us come to our own conclusion when it's time and when we're ready. Okay. And so that hard sell has never been felt by us. We feel like he's more of a professional friend.
Right, and that's so important to have that kind of relationship. So 15 years later, you're still coming. How would you describe your relationship with Dr. Hurst and the office here now?
Oh, I feel like we are definitely friends. I feel like we can be very honest and open with each other. Recently I had a toothache and I called Jerry first thing in the morning, the receptionist, and told her that I had been in pain, and she immediately fit time in for me to come and have the dentist, Dr. Hurst, look at it and order antibiotics. And it was a day-long process to get here of texting and emails, but she worked with my schedule as best she could, so they were really attentive to my needs.
Okay, so if you're looking for a place to come, and 15 years later, Katherine is still impressed with Dr. Hurst and his staff. And thank you so much for coming in today, Katherine, and sharing your story with us.
You're very welcome. I was happy to do it.